Hello guys, welcome to today's video. In this video I'll be showing you how to claim the daily cipher on Hamster Kombat. Today is 25th July 2024. So the first thing you do is to go to daily cipher here. When you open the daily cipher, you get the code. The code for today is flash, FLASH, flash. So to get the F, which is the first letter, you do dot dot dash dot 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 dash dot 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 dash dot. For the L, you do dot dash dot 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 dash dot dot. For the A, you do dot dash dot dash. For the S, you do 3 dots dot 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 1 2 3. For the H, you do 4 dots 1 2 3 4. Then you take the price here. That's it for today's video, guys. Ensure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on bell notification for more updates.